Today I will be doing my first Q&A session. So all I'll be doing is answering your questions, all trading related. If any of you are watching who actually asked me these questions, I hope I answer them correctly. I hope you enjoy the video, and yeah, let's get into it. The first question we have is, how and when did you start your trading journey? Well, I've got that video on my journey, my trading journey. I actually started with crypto as I was introduced to it by my uncle. And yeah, I was really fascinated on how can you like predict where the markets are actually going to go. And from then I just, watched a lot of YouTube videos, did the course of baby pips, which is actually in the description down below. Just did a lot of studying, and that's basically how I started it. When did I start it? I started around January, late January, and I've just been at it ever since and just improving every single day. Okay, so the next question is, what trading method do you use? I'm in a community called Guerrilla Trading. In that community, everyone uses the same strategy. You'll have your own trading plan, and that's what they encourage you to do. It's just a trading strategy which identifies momentum and aims to ride the trend, uptrend, downtrend, whatever. And of course, it tries to avoid trading in ranges or corrective markets. Okay, next question. Which do you prefer for trading price action? A mechanical checklist or a more flexible checklist? Okay, that's a really good question. So I've been backtesting and I've been collecting data on different pairs. You have to really backtest one pair at a time and understand how that pair actually moves, and that is something called pair characteristics. But to answer the question, so I've been making a mechanical checklist, okay, and there will be some sort of discretion on what an impulse to me might look like and what an impulse to you might look like. If I've seen an impulse, at least one impulse, if I've seen no shift in momentum, so these are like little check boxes I have, and if I see that in the market and I tick them, then I'm taking the trade no matter what. The problem I find is when you have like a flexible checklist, and that is just allowing room for discretion. Because let's say I haven't placed any trade for the month, and now a trade setup sort of forms, but it meets 2 out of my 3 criteria. I could be so paranoid that I haven't taken a trade and be experiencing so much FOMO that I might just take it, even though it hasn't ticked my 3 boxes. So with a more flexible checklist, I feel like there's much more room for discretion and your psychology to go a bit haywire. But with a mechanical checklist, it's literally, does the trade tick these boxes, yes or no? If it does, take the trade, okay, because you've backtested enough, okay? If it doesn't meet the checklist, don't take the trade. It's simple, yes or no. There's no room for actually, I think this, I think that, because your mind will actually always put you in favor of the FOMO kind of attitude. So even if there's no trade, your mind will be like, actually, but look at this impulse, look at that impulse. If it takes you more than a minute to like think about it, just don't take it, okay? It should be clear and obvious and tick your checklist. Hi, final question. How long did it take you to see progress? I will answer this question in 2 parts. So trading wise, in live trading, I live traded, I got some progress, but risk management was basically out the window, as you guys know. But after that, I haven't really seen that much progress because I've just been backtesting. So profits wise and everything, there hasn't been any progress because I'm not live trading. Trading as a whole, I've seen a lot of progress. Psychology wise, for example, I've improved so much. Rather than looking at the charts constantly and just draining myself throughout the day, I only look at the charts once every hour, which is giving me a lot of free time and a lot of flexibility. So I'd say overall, patience, psychology, risk management. I mean, the previous video that I've uploaded, I've gone into like the 3 main things I've learned, and those things were really bad at the start of my trading journey. So progress in that sense, yes, a lot of progress, okay, like significant progress. Trading wise, I will keep you updated. You guys will know when I start live trading, when I will, be trading with real money. So once again, from a psychological point of view, I have seen a lot of progress. It's like a significant amount of progress. That was my first Q&A. I will be uploading more Q&As, so make sure to check out my Instagram down below. I've got a lot more content coming up, so stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.